Hey guys, so a lot of you are having a lot of trouble with your time management, so I'm back with another tip. This one, how to control the time you spend on the phone. So phones interrupt our daily lives all the time, and often if you're having a conversation with someone else and the phone rings, you'll have to pause the conversation that you're having to answer the phone. And this ruins a lot of things in a day. So how to fix this? Set up a voicemail that says, "Thanks for calling your company. You've reached your name. Your call is important to us, so please leave your name, number, details, what your message is in regards to, and we'll call you back between the hours of," and fill this in with a time that you're happy to answer the phone. Whether it's an hour in the morning and an hour in the afternoon, or whether it's 2 hours in the afternoon. This will be the only time in the day that you actually take calls and return calls. Other than that, your phone should stay on mute or silent or even turned off. This way, you won't be interrupted at all in your day and you'll be able to get the most out of it. So hopefully this has helped. Let me know how it goes. See you for now.